The people of Manafa are requesting you, Your Excellency, that if you made it a municipality, it will also cater to the resettle the people in the disaster areas.
I also sure that these people came in big numbers because they appreciate and grateful for what you have done for this region.
Like the one of Mbale to Ruahaha, the one of Tirinyi to Busoga, the one going to Soroti, Tororo. But the ones which are planned now, which are under procurement, they are looking for the one to do the work. Nabumari, Butareja, Namtumba, Buburo, Bududa Circular Road. Our people know exactly where the electricity is and where it is not. Where it is not, they will do it because they know it. They have it. So, all the parishes that do not yet have government primary schools will get. Also, the sub-counties without government secondary schools will get. So that means many sub-counties do not have health center 3. In the file here, I see there's a big plan to solve that problem. Upgrade Ikari Health Center 2 to Health Center 3 in Bukofu sub-county. And I'm glad that we are going to have the Manafa Industrial Park.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.